Listen, I don't know if you anything like me, but my playlists are crucial. Okay, when I get my concert in the car, to all of the people not listening or whatever the case, I need these songs to be accurate. Okay. What's up, everybody? It's your favorite tech cousin Beezy, aka Beezy B, aka Work From Home Beezy, and today we are going to give a tip. Have you ever been using Spotify or Apple Music for like a long time, and then you want to try the other one? So if you've been using Spotify, now you want to use Apple Music, or you've been using Apple Music and now you want to use Spotify, and you've created so many playlists, and now you're like, man, how do I transfer all of my playlists from one app to the next? I got to do it one by one. No, you don't have to do it one by one, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. And guess what? Don't tell nobody. It's free. I'm gonna show you how to do it for free. So first thing we want to do is pull up our computer. Boom. So look, this is what we want to do. Playlist.cloud. Go ahead and look at that URL. All right, so this is what you should be seeing. So I'm not sure who created this, a mastermind, but basically it's a guy. I was looking for an option on how to do it. I was looking at Reddit, and they were like, you can use this service and this service. It's like a subscription. It's $10 to $15. And I was like, man, but it should just be a way to just do it, and plus another thing, those services didn't get all of your songs right. So I'm like, you paying all this and they get 40% of your playlist right? Listen, I don't know if you anything like me, but my playlists are crucial. Okay, when I get my concert in the car, to all of the people not listening or whatever the case, I need these songs to be accurate. Okay, I know the next song that it's going to go to, right? So yeah, no, I don't need it to be wrong. I need it to be right. So I've found great success with playlist.cloud. Buy that man a coffee or something, and you can support him if you, bam, right there, buy me a coffee right there. Okay, cool. So we're going to go to playlist.cloud. We're going to either sign up or log in. I, of course, have a login. Okay. And then you'll see that I have 83 playlists, 5,000 tracks, over 5,000 tracks. I've done 2 of these. I was supposed to make this video a long time ago. I was supposed to make this video when I found out about it in February, but I didn't. So, just chill out. Not too much on me. Okay. All right. So you're going to go to connect to Apple Music, and then you're going to connect all your stuff. All right, and then we're going to press allow. Boom. Now you got 2 options: import playlist or disconnect from Apple Music. Okay, then we're going to connect to Spotify, and then my information is already in there, so we're just going to log in, import playlist or disconnect Spotify. All right, so we're good there. Okay, so now the hard part is over. That's the hardest part. So on your first time, what you want to do is go ahead and click on import playlist, and then it'll take a while. It'll take a while to import all of the playlists and everything like that. So you want to do that for both, okay? Then this is where the magic happens. Then you want to go to manage playlists. All right, so now let's say, now it's a couple ways that you could do this. You can export your playlist in a text file, which is really cool, CSV, if you just need like the names of it. Or let's say this is my favorite tracks. Let me see one that let's see. All right. So this is these are playlists that I have. These are gospel playlists.
Thank you, Jesus.
So we'll say export. You see, you can do export as CSV. I'm not sure what a JSON is. What is it? JSON. Is a completely language dependent, but uses conventions that are familiar to programmers. Okay, cool. So you don't need that. Okay, but you can export to provider. So to provider, since this playlist is from Apple Music and I want to go to Spotify, then I want to do to Spotify and then start export. So then you'll see it right here, processing playlist export. So this usually it doesn't take that long. I would say what, like 10-15 minutes or something like that. So I've only done 2, but they've gotten all of the songs correct. I'm not sure like what type of wizardry, or I don't know, but this guy is really good. So basically that's the gist of it. Transfer your Apple Music playlist to Spotify, or your Spotify playlist to Apple Music. Please, if you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, share. Yeah, do that. We're going to get more consistent in 2024. We got dreams and goals, and just know that whatever you want to do, you can do. Just take the time out to do it, man. The time is going to pass anyway, you know. We'll see you in the next video. Beezy out.